morning, Seekers! So today we're going to continue to do our step by step. So we have 4 letters to write today. The first one is Q, R, S, T. Today I'm just going to do on this white board. Alright, the first one we're going to do is letter Q. Alright, so letter Q has 2 steps. The first step is to make a circle like letter O. Step 1, make a circle like letter O. Step 2 is put a little tail on the right side of the circle. Step 2. Alright, let's do it again. 1, 2. Good job. Alright, now we're gonna write letter R. And letter R has more steps than letter Q. So remember, when you make letter R, let's make a dot on the board, or at home you have a piece of paper, right? So from this dot, you're going to make a straight line down. Step 1. Step 2 is we go back to the top dot. From the dot, we're making a half circle. Step 2, like how you make letter P. Alright, step 3 is we're going to find, when you finish making your half circle, you can make a dot here if you don't remember where you finish. Or if you remember, just find the end of the half circle, and starting from there, you're making a line diagonally down, okay? Like this. This is letter R, step 3. Alright, let's make it again. Step 1, straight line down. Step 2, half circle. Step 3, find the end of the half circle and make a line down. But the line goes diagonally. It doesn't go straight down. Letter R. Alright, the next one we're going to make letter S. S. Alright, so let's make a dot on the board. And letter S only has 1 step. So you're going to make a curved line facing left side. And then you're going to go in like how you make a half circle. And you don't stop here. And you're going to make another half circle facing right side. So only 1 step. Alright, let's do it again. Make a dot, make a curved line, going left, go all the way in, and go to the right, and finish. Good job. So letter S only has 1 step. Alright, now we're going to make letter T. Letter T. So make a dot on your paper. In order to make letter T, we're going to make a straight line down from the dot. Step 1. Step 2 is we're going to make a line going horizontally, go through the dot on the top. Step 2. Alright, let's do it again. 1, 2. Good job, Seekers! Make sure you practice writing your letters at home. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.